Again, there is so much that you can do with your DCS and SCADA systems. The big secret is to understand them and utilize them to their full potential. Today, I'd like to speak about an interesting feature which is referred to as using recipes. I have a friend who used to make paving bricks used for decorative purposes in many of the houses in my area, and he made use of a SCADA system connected to a PLC. And at the push of a button, his operators were able to just select between the grey bricks and the red bricks and the black bricks, all because of the fact that a recipe choice had been put up for them. And that's what I'm going to go through in the next minute or two. On the screen in front of you, you can see 3 digital items and 1 analog. There's transformer number 1, transformer number 2, transformer number 3, and then there is the analog value of, in this case, the power factor. Now, it could have been any analog values of your choice that you'd like to go and put in. Using the system itself, what I have gone and done is set up a recipe setup for this. In this case, I've gone and called it the YouTube recipes, and those YouTube recipes for me are going to work with transformer number 1, number 2, number 3, and then the power factor that we have there. Now, I've also taken the liberty of putting in 3 recipes: recipe number 1, recipe number 2, and recipe number 3. And the whole idea is that those 3 recipes are going to give me different choices which we can make use of. And if I was to quickly go to this page, those are my 3 recipes. First and foremost, recipe number 1, when it is selected, is going to give me those values put in. Transformer 1 on, the other 2 off, and the power factor of 0.83. You could have put in anything such as a level or a pressure or a temperature of your choice. If you were to go for recipe number 2, the first 2 transformers are switched on and the power factor value will be reduced. And in the case of recipe number 3, all 3 are going to be switched on and the power factor is going to be reduced. So it's literally a case of just putting this in action. So going to my image that I have got over there, I can go and press File, New, select a recipe, and my recipes are going to actually appear before me. There are my YouTube recipes, and I can go straight for recipe number 1. And as soon as I implement it, I want you to see how the values at the bottom are going to change and how the power factor on the right hand side is going to change. And that's it. I've got just the first transformer on, and that power factor value, which could have been anything, I've got it made as 0.87. If I was now to go to recipe number 2 and select that, it will automatically change my set points or the values that I'd like to have out in the field. And exactly the same with recipe number 3. I can go and implement that, and then again I can change back and forth any way that I would like to, and that's always going to be available for us. So, as I always say, don't work harder, make sure you work smarter. Use the features and the capability of the system that you have got access to. As always, if you were to attend my courses, you would do this and many, many other similar things that are exciting.